Hello, I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews. Today we're reviewing Persil laundry detergent. This one is special because it is the Intense Fresh, and that's what I'm always looking for when I shop for laundry detergent. I want the strongest smells. I love just odor fighting, stink knocker outer, whatever, and Persil is just about the most expensive laundry detergent you can buy. So I figured this combination has to really mean good things. I usually use Arm & Hammer, and that is pretty potent stuff, and I think it's a really good value. But I've got a bunch of Persil, I've got Tide, I've got those Power Sheets I reviewed last year. I really like those. I use those like once a month as a treat because they're really awesome. But this Persil was on sale, so it made it kind of reasonable to purchase and try out. And try to follow the cup's directions on how much to put in. This is a rather small load. A couple of towels, couple of t-shirts, just a mixed load. Put that Persil in, and my sniff on the cap, and I'll let you sniff it. What did you think? I thought it had potential, and it was a unique scent, but I'll tell you off the bat, not as strong scent-wise as I would say the Arm & Hammer. So we'll run that load and we'll check back. Okay, laundry is done. We're going to give big whiff together. We'll sniff a towel. We'll sniff the armpit of one of my t-shirts. Pretty thick towel here. This was a cold wash. What do you think of that? I think it smells pretty good. I'm not blown away. I'm not immediately thinking, wow, this is, so intense, but it's pretty good. Let's find an armpit here. There we go. We got a cool Back to the Future t-shirt here that I was working outside on, trying to set up a robot lawnmower that I didn't have success with, and I'm waiting for customer support. Got a lot of lint on these clothes. One of those towels is linty. That should come out in the dryer. Give that a whiff. What do you think? Do you smell Ryan armpits? I think it's pretty good. I'm not blown away, and I wouldn't buy it at regular price. Now, how well does Persil do on stains and stuff? From what I read, pretty well. But the smell, so-so.